day, sir. Welcome to Serenity Wellness Massage, sir. May I have your name for the appointment, sir? Thank you, sir. Please take a seat and wait for our therapist will assist you.
A few moments later.
Good day, sir. I am your massage therapist for the day. Before we begin, may I ask you a few questions?
Sir, I have some concerns. Can we talk for a bit?
Sure, sure. For a while.
A few moments later.
Sir, napapansin ko ba kanina yung customer natin? Hindi ko alam kung value ba siya or lasing lang. I-continue pa ba natin yung appointment niya?
Okay, okay. Kausapin ko. Sir, as part of our concern, matanong ko lang, nakainom ka ba or galing ka sa inuman?
Nakainom ako pero konti lang talaga, konti lang. Good, sorry na. Pwede balik pabilisan na yung massage? Naiinitan na ako dito kung tayo yung itera.
Thank you for your honesty, sir, but we cannot undergo a massage if you are drunk because it can cause dizziness or nausea and fainting.
Bakit hindi pwede mag-massage? Punta ko dito para mag-massage. Punta ko dito para mag-massage. Punta ko dito para mag-massage. Kalma lang, sir. Sir, dito lang po. Sir, kalma lang, sir. Sir, kalma lang, sir. Sir, kalma lang, sir. Eto na, kalma lang. Kalma ka, sir. Kalma ka, sir. Kalma lang.
Our responsibility is to protect your well-being.
Okay, I understand. I'm sorry for inconvenience.
Your safety is our top priority.
And we also looking forward to serve you in better times.
Good day. In this video, our group will demonstrate the correct and professional way to handle a situation where a client arrives for a massage and session while under the influence of alcohol. This procedure prioritizes safety and ease and proper communication. Includes our demonstration. The staff handle the situation by observing warning signs, assessing the client, providing clear explanation, refuse the session professionally and offering alternatives, and ensuring the client's safety. Thank you for watching.
Uy, sir, napapansin ko ba kanina yung customer?
Uy, smile lang!
Yawa!
Eto na, kalma lang. Kalma ka, sir. Kalma ka, sir. Kalma lang. Tapos na sa guard.